Hi friends, so in this video we're going to see the solutions of that quiz from the last video. Hopefully you were able to, well, at least take a crack at it. I'm sure you were able to work it out. So first, let's create an array including numbers from 0 to 20 by using the push method. And of course you remember with the push method we can add an element to the end of the array. So to be able to use the push method we need to have an array. And I'll create this array. I'll say var numbers, and this is going to be equal to an empty array for now. And later on, I'm going to fill this array with the push method and for loop. First, I'll write my for loop, so var I equal to 0, and then our condition, so I is less than or equal to 20. And then we're going to add 1 to the I every time, okay? Now, inside the for loop, I want to push every I to the numbers array. So I'll say numbers.push, and inside of it, I. So what do you think? That's it. Yeah, it is as simple as that. So now to see the result down here, I'll say console.log numbers. I'll save this, go to the console. Now, in the console, I refresh the page, and yeah, as you can see, we've created an array that contains all numbers from 0 to 20. All right, so go back to the code. Now, our second question is to print the numbers in this array, which can be divided by 5 to the console, okay? Now, this numbers array has a method called forEach. Remember, all arrays have it. It's a built-in array method. So I'll just say numbers.forEach, and then parenthesis, and inside of it, we're going to write an anonymous function. And what does it mean? Well, it means that we're going to run this function for each item inside the numbers array. And inside this function, we can reach every item of the array as the first argument of this function. And remember, I can name this argument however I want. But just to make sense, be clear, and, well, something that I can remember, I'll say number because each element of this array is a number. Then I want to look at all these numbers, and then I wanted to console log just the numbers which can be divided by 5, right? So to control that, I'm going to make an if control. So I'll say if number mod 5 equal to 0. Then enter the if, and here console log that number, so console.log number, okay? What do you think? Yeah, that's it. Now, I have to save all this and go to the console. And here, when I refresh the page, I'll see 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20. So there you go. It's correct. In this video, well, we could just call this a solutions video, huh? Now, we'll take a quick break, and I'll see you in the next video.